Travel writing, at its core, is about the human desire to explore the unknown. It's about venturing beyond the familiar and encountering different cultures, landscapes, and ways of life. From ancient travelers documenting their journeys, to modern bloggers sharing their experiences online, this genre has captivated readers for centuries. What makes travel writing so compelling? It's the ability to transport us to far-off lands, to experience the world through the eyes of others. It's the opportunity to learn about different cultures, to gain new perspectives, and to broaden our horizons. Travel writing can be informative, entertaining, thought-provoking, and even life-changing, whether it's a tale of adventure, a quest for self-discovery, or a humorous account of mishaps on the road. Travel writing offers something for everyone. It's a genre that celebrates the human spirit of curiosity, the joy of discovery, and the power of storytelling. The roots of travel writing can be traced back to antiquity. Ancient Greek historian Herodotus, often called the father of history, embarked on extensive journeys throughout the Mediterranean world, documenting his observations of different cultures and societies. His writings provide invaluable insights into the ancient world. Another notable figure is Pausanias, a Greek writer and traveler who lived in the 2nd century AD. His description of Greece is a comprehensive guide to the history, mythology, and monuments of ancient Greece. These early travel writers paved the way for a genre that would flourish over the centuries, inspiring countless others to document their journeys and share their experiences with the world. The Middle Ages saw the rise of religious pilgrimages, with travelers venturing to holy sites like Jerusalem and Rome. These journeys, often arduous and dangerous, were documented in travelogues that provided spiritual guidance and practical advice for fellow pilgrims. The Renaissance period witnessed a renewed interest in exploration and discovery. European explorers embarked on voyages to the New World, charting unknown territories and encountering new cultures. Their accounts, filled with tales of adventure and exotic lands, captivated the imaginations of readers back home. These accounts not only expanded geographical knowledge, but also introduced European audiences to different cultures and ways of life, influencing perceptions and shaping worldviews. In the 17th and 18th centuries, the Grand Tour became a rite of passage for young men from wealthy European families. This extended journey through Europe, often lasting several years, was designed to broaden their horizons, expose them to art and culture, and prepare them for leadership roles. Travelogues from this era, often written in a witty and satirical style, offer fascinating glimpses into European society and the experiences of these young travelers. The Grand Tour not only contributed to the development of travel writing, but also played a significant role in shaping European culture and identity.
Section 5. The rise of modern travel writing. Romanticism to realism. The 19th century saw the emergence of modern travel writing. Romanticism, with its emphasis on emotion, individualism, and sublime influence of travel. This era, which often celebrated the beauty of nature and the thrill of adventure. Later in the century, realism gained prominence, focusing on portraying the world as it experiences without or idealization. Check it out. Travelers that explore social issues, realities. These are human experience. This ship of romanticism is not the turning point of travel, but paving the way.
Section 6. Travel Writing in the 20th Century. New Voices, New Perspectives. The 20th century witnessed a proliferation of new voices in travel writing. Women, people of color, and writers from previously marginalized communities began to share their unique perspectives on the world, challenging traditional narratives and broadening the scope of the genre. The rise of mass tourism and technological advancements, such as air travel and photography, also influenced travel writing. Writers explored new destinations, documented the changing face of global travel, and experimented with different styles and formats. These developments further democratized travel writing, making it more accessible to a wider range of writers and readers, and reflecting the evolving nature of travel in the modern world. Section 7. The Impact of Travel Writing, Shaping Perceptions and Inspiring Change. Throughout its history, travel writing has played a significant role in shaping perceptions of the world. It has introduced readers to different cultures, challenged stereotypes, and broadened understanding of human societies. Travel writing has also inspired social and political change by exposing injustices, highlighting environmental issues, and advocating for human rights. Travel writers have used their platform to raise awareness and promote positive change. Through their storytelling and insights, travel writers have the power to influence public opinion, shape policy decisions, and contribute to a more just and sustainable world. Section 8. The Future of Travel Writing, Embracing Digital Platforms and New Technologies. The future of travel writing is inextricably linked to the digital revolution. Online platforms, social media, and new technologies are transforming the way travel stories are created, shared, and consumed. Blogs, vlogs, podcasts, and interactive maps offer innovative ways to engage audiences and provide immersive travel experiences. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies have the potential to further blur the lines between the real and the virtual, creating new possibilities for travel storytelling. Aspiring travel writers should embrace these new tools and platforms, experimenting with different formats and engaging with online communities to share their stories and connect with a global audience. Section 9. Conclusion. A timeless genre for a world on the move. Travel writing, from its ancient origins to its digital future, remains a timeless genre that captures the human desire to explore, discover, and connect with the world. It's a genre that continues to evolve, reflect the changing times, and offer fresh perspectives on the human experience. For aspiring travel writers, the key is to embrace curiosity, hone your storytelling skills, and find your unique voice. Whether you're writing about a far-flung adventure or a weekend getaway, the most important thing is to share your passion for travel and inspire others to embark on their own journeys of discovery. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, travel writing serves as a bridge between cultures, a catalyst for understanding, and a testament to the enduring human spirit of adventure.